Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Daffy Duck. Daffy Duck from the Looney Tunes. We're going to be using this marker right here. This is the Faber-Castell PITT Artist Pen. It is a very nice, clean pen. It doesn't have that nasty, toxic smell that a Sharpie has. Apparently that smells bad for you over time. So I'm going to put a link to this in the description from Amazon. So let's get in there and start this. So I'm going to start with Daffy's lower bill. This will be a thick line. It's kind of like a U. At the very end of his bill, curved shape, almost like another kind of closed U as well. Pulling in. So now starting to pull into kind of that duckbill shape that he has. And pull into a smile. That duck smile right there. Outside. So what we're going to do is we're going to create right here a nestled area for his eyes. And then his cheek on this side. Then we're going to create an egg shape right here on this side. And one on the other side, not as big though, for his eyes. Draw in the nasal cavity. Pulling downward right here, a thin tube, which is his neck. Got a little collar there. Pulling up, back, leaving an area here for his, kind of a line for his brow. And you can kind of create that white line through negative space. I'm pulling down on his head here. Pulling up. 3 hairs for his head here. And then we're going to fill this shape in except for that white, which is supposed to indicate his brow. It's not a whole lot left though. And then I'm going to continue down here and color this black as well. Those are his feathers. And that's pretty much it. That is Daffy Duck. Really simplistic version of Daffy Duck. Hopefully you found it easy to do. If you did, give a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to get the free How to Draw Cute ebook. It is in the description below, so check that out. It was going to be a product, but now it's an ebook. It's about a 10-page ebook on how to draw something cute. So download that immediately, and you'll have that like right off the bat as soon as you press that link. So, all right, talk to you guys later.